get these open and drain these new potatoes. These are just everyday essential peeled potatoes in water. Let's make them delicious. I'm adding some spray oil so that my seasoning sticks. We're using some Cajun Seasoning. You can use whatever you fancy on these. And then I'm going to add in some black pepper and some salt. Give them a toss around and we'll get them in the air fryer. I'm going to put those onto air fry on 200 and they're going to go on for 10 minutes. Come out lovely and crispy and delicious, and these were so cheap and easy to make. I hope you give it a go.